Okay, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a new Google Classroom as well as how you can get your students linked or added into your Google Classroom. So when you're logged into your school account, you're going to go to classroom.google.com, or you can click on the waffle up here and scroll to where you see Classroom and click on that. Once you're here with all of your classes, you're going to click this plus button in the upper right-hand corner. This is how you're going to create your class or how you could join a class. Students are also going to have this option, although theirs should only allow them to join a class. So we'll talk about that in just a second. So for now, you're going to click the plus and you're going to click Create Class. Here is where you're going to be able to type in the title that you want to name your class, as well as all this information. If you would like to add that in there, it's not necessary. Okay, so now that your Google Classroom is created, you're going to be adding your students to it. To do this, there's two ways. The first way is to click on People, and you're going to click on the little plus Invite Students button. Now, in some districts, you're able to type in a child's name and their email will pop up. That's not an option in every district, but this is what it would look like. So let's say I could click on her name, type her name and click on her email, and then I'll be able to invite the student. You could do this all at once, so you can make your whole list of students in the first invite. I'm not going to actually do that though. So that's one way of inviting students. The other way is to show them your class code. So your class code is located down here on the left side of the page. You're going to click Display, and then students will be able to type in this code and be linked with your class. The way they would do that is just logging into their school account and going into Google Classroom. They also have that plus button that you did up in the upper corner. They would just click Join Class, and they would type in this code. So this way is a little bit quicker if you don't want to type in the email addresses, but typically, like if you have time before the school year started, after you've gotten your class list, if you want to go in and type in the emails manually, you can definitely do that. But either way, we'll get the kids joined in to your class. One other thing I do want to mention is the Meet link over here. This is great for remote learning. So when you click Generate Meet Link, this link is going to be the same now all of the time, and the students can see the link. So if you have students that are, in quarantine or having to remote into class for an extended period of time, this link now is always going to show, and they can just click Join and automatically be in the Google Classroom. So you don't have to send out a Meet invite each time you're wanting to do a remote lesson with a student. They can always get to that there in their Google Classroom. Okay, so that's creating a class, getting your students in, and also a little bit about the Meet link.